Hi, I'm Michael Ronson. I'm the branch manager here at Saskatoon Greenline Manufacturing, branch 4 for Greenline Hose and Fittings. We are next to our steel tubing. Our steel tubing assembly process has been ever evolving over the last couple of years. There's been a lot of changes even over the last 6 months. We have raw product coming in from overseas. We have a cutting and cleaning process that goes on. We have introduced the laser marking process so that we can print the customer's part number, kit information, traceability number, whatever they need onto the product, as well as our own quality traceability. We have 2 CNC benders behind me, which is a new step for us because we were doing things manually, the old school way with angle finders. Being able to tie everything together into our computer controls, our database for traceability, for error proofing, being able to send the exact information for the assembly into the machine as opposed to having a manual selection process. Being able to deliver 100% quality product on time is all our customers expect of us. Quality is everything. We work with 2 styles of fittings. We have female JIC and female O-ring face seal in 5 sizes currently. So the machines that we're using for those have been designed for us with one of our vendors, really being able to be hands-on in the development of the machines that we're using to enhance our process as well. We have adapter installation as well. Sometimes customers need adapters pre-installed onto their tubes. We have a cell that's designed specifically for that. We have preset torque control on the 5 sizes of tube that we work with, so that we are never missing or exceeding the torque spec on those installations. The best value that I think we provide to our customers is an open mind and forward-thinking mentality. Continuous improvement is a big part of our life, and we try to instill that in our relationships with our customers. The 3D scanning, laser scanning is a big step forward for us. It allows us to measure angles, points in space that we normally wouldn't be able to before. So being able to adhere to an engineered drawing when we get into complicated bends, you're doing things once, you're doing it right, you're sending it out to the customer, no rework, no extra stock, no waste in your product. The less time and money you're spending making the product, eventually you get to share that wealth with your employees as well as your customers. I've been working here for 13 years. I've been heavily involved in the production processes. It's been really neat to also be learning these processes with the employees and the operators and being able to share ideas with them and be a part of the journey. If I wasn't happy, I wouldn't have been here for 2 years. So 13 years and I have no thoughts of going anywhere anytime soon. It's a great place to work. Fantastic people, family environment like nothing I've ever experienced before. And it's really something that I try and sell to the workers that I hire here, letting people know before they even walk in the door during the interview process that when you come to work for Greenline Manufacturing, you're coming to be a part of a team and a family.